It literally took me 2 seconds. First throw. Oh, my hand smells so bad right now. This here is gonna be the game changer. There's another bad way over here. Oh, so. There we go. There we go. What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? How quickly? How quickly was that? I thought it was taping, guys. It took me 2 seconds to throw it in there. I went, put the rod back. Oh my goodness. It literally took me 2 seconds. First throw. I put my... There she is. Oh yeah, there she is. This is better. This is a better one. What did I say, guys? What do I tell you to do? Huh? What do you think? What do you think, guys? What do you think? How many times I'm gonna catch a bass on this little thingy, huh? How many times? I'm telling you, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh my God. He swallowed it so deep, man. It's not even funny. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, nice. All right, here, I'll give you some room. No, don't wrap me up. Chula. Here we go. Same lure. Same place, same lure, same everything. What is it, 4?